Did you know that you can use Canva for more than just thumbnails on YouTube? ChatGPT was a huge help in giving me 50 different ideas of ways that you can use Canva for your YouTube channel. Today, you'll hear about 10 of them to see if they can actually work. Design custom video banners for events or promotions. Now, I kind of take this into the same aspect as one that was in another video about YouTube banners, but this one is specific for an event. So let's say that you are having a huge paid promotion that you're offering. You might create a custom YouTube banner. The first thing that you need to know is where that you can apply the custom YouTube banner under your customization tab and under branding. And this is where you can change out your banner image. So I'm going to type in YouTube, and here's YouTube banner. They already have a lot of channel art templates for you. In my personal opinion, they are lacking in assisting you in sizing. If you're watching this and think, oh, I need a specific tutorial on sizing for my YouTube banners, then ask me in the comments and I'll be glad to give you a link for that specific tutorial. Make custom trailers for your upcoming content. Normally, I would say this is a duplicate from something we've already shared, but it's actually not. Did you know that you can create a premiere trailer? This particular feature on YouTube is only available if you have 1,000 subscribers, at least at the time of filming this. Who knows? That could change. And you cannot have any community guideline strikes. I'm going to leave a link for you about this in the description below if you're wanting to know how to customize your premiere or your live stream so you can create a 15-second to 3-minute trailer saying what the video is about. You can be a little more generic so that you could use one for multiple ones. I'm recording this on February 20th. If I were to set this as a premiere instead, and what I would do is click scheduled. I would click set as premiere. I would click done. And then I would click set up premiere. I can set, and this is, I've got more than 1,000 subscribers, so I've got all these tools available to me. You may not, but I can set a countdown theme. I can set a countdown timer. I can even redirect it afterwards to go to someone else's live stream or premiere. And here it is, trailers. Trailers are a great way to get a sneak peek and get viewers excited. And so I can click add. This will give me specific videos that I could technically add at the beginning of my trailer because they fall within the right guidelines. Technically, I could add another video in front of this video, which I've never done before. Like this is a live trailer, right? I could put this live trailer there. It would play for me, or it play for my audience if they clicked into it. And I can even look and see how many viewers that unlisted video has. I'm going to cancel this. Create video playlists for different. Okay, this one was previous and I did not like it then. I do not like it now. I mean, you can use Canva Doc to create video playlist ideas other than create a video trailer, an unlisted video trailer for a playlist, and use Magic Write, which if you are in a Canva Doc, you can click the plus sign and Magic Write and then ask for video ideas. So 25 video ideas, right? So I could get video ideas that way, and it might generate some ideas that could be turned into playlists. Design custom video quotes and motivational messages. This is a great idea, actually. How I would do this is I would actually choose a vertical video so that you could use it as a YouTube short, especially if you're more inspirational. But you can go to video and you can use a mobile video for an Instagram reel or even Instagram reel for Instagram reel. And that would also work for YouTube shorts. And then if I type in quote, there are a whole bunch of different quote reels that you could use. For example, this one. It's a way to take a stationary post into one that's moving. Fantastic idea. The reason why I'm highlighting some of them in green is that I may want to expand on them in another lesson. So if you hear something today that you would love more information on, let me know in the comments so that I can provide that information for you. Video contest, video challenge, that one's a duplicate. So I'm going to give that a big red X. Video infomercial to showcase products or services. So you could do this if you are featuring review specific product idea that Think Media talks about in VRA all the time. You could use one of the video templates to help you, and you could even add transitions to your videos from one project to another. Or there are some animations that you could have if you want more information about video and video editing and timing of animations and things like that. Let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to link up to another video for you. Make custom video teasers to promote upcoming content. These are starting to become a little redundant, ChatGPT. Video trailer, video teaser, it's the same thing. In order to make it a little different, what you could do is create a YouTube short to promote upcoming content. I would prefer to use a short to promote past content. Create video parodies to engage your viewers. Design custom video memes. Wait, didn't we already have memes? Look, these last ones are all repeats. Now, this one is entertain and engage viewers. This one's to share on social media. So basically what it's saying is create things for Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn or Pinterest, or that's what it's recommending. Make video reaction videos to respond to other content creators. If you go to the upload button, you can record yourself. And so here I am. You can change your camera. You can use camera and screen. You can use screen. You can change your microphone to whatever it needs. You can add filters and effects to this, which is really fun. Here's another smooth skin smoothing. You can change the shape from square to circle. You can mirror the camera if you would like. You can turn the camera off. But let's record. 3, 2, 1. Hello, it's great to see you. I'm testing this feature. All right, so now I'm going to click done and we can save and exit. But do you remember when I chose circle over square? If I didn't want it to be that, I could right click, detach video. This is called a frame. So I type in frame here and there's all these different frames that I could put this picture in or this video in. So I could put it like that and then put it on top of your finished video. If you want to see some of those previous videos, what I'm going to do right now is put on the screen a playlist that's got all these ways that you can use Canva for your YouTube channel. All right, see you next time. Bye.